In the heart of the jungle, a silent shadow moves. The tiger awakens. The tiger omnian, the apex predator of the forest. Silent, stealthy, lethal.
Eyes that miss nothing, senses sharpened for hunting. Every step is calculated. Patience defines the tiger. A single misstep could mean failure or a missed meal. In a burst of speed and strength, the hunt ends. Precision, power, perfection. Tigers are not just hunters of the land. They are skilled swimmers, masters of every terrain.
Silent, powerful, unmatched. The tiger, true ruler of the jungle.